Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Salesforce data loader for Windows. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are just going to follow these instructions from the help center of Salesforce. And basically to install the data loader, all you need to do is to have the OpenGTK, the 17 version, and you will need to have the data loader application, and then you will be able to start installing your data load. So basically, you will need just to have the OpenGDK 17 version. You can have this one or you can have any OpenGDK. So just search for OpenGDK 17 and then you can have this one from the OpenGDK, or you can have the Zulu one that is provided or that is instructed from Salesforce. So by installing the Zulu GDK for Windows, you will need just to follow the installation process by clicking on next, adding the path, and of course to install and confirm it, etc, etc. This is instruction for the Mac, and after that we will need just to go and install the data loader and make sure it is from the developer side of the Salesforce. And basically we need just to click on here on download winter release for Mac and Windows, and you will need just to choose Windows. You download it, and after that you will need just to extract the information or to extract the file in your Windows or your PC. And after that, you will find this install.bat, which is a batch script that will start uh, executing after clicking on runaway, and the script will start executing and it will automatically install the data loader in your Windows. After that, you will have it installed successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.